Good afternoon, Joanne.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Joan Last of Maanyag Agency. I'm 25 years old. I live in Mambusaw, Capiz, Philippines.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you
Yes,
want to work as a maid?
because lack of financial, ma'am.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because Malaysia is near in the Philippines and I love Malaysia.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, and honest.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
High school graduate.
What is your recent experience?
Yes, sir. Businesswoman.
Have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose
My
baby you take?
children.
Okay, how about elderly people?
My grandmother, 69 years old.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. Cooking, cooking, and babysitter.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Adobo, sinigang.
Is it a Filipino dishes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cleaning, ironing, babysitter, babysitter, hardening.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kids?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay. How much is the salary as a maid in Malaysia as you agreed and understand?
1,200 ringgit.
Okay. What is the two rules agency have fixed in Malaysia?
No cell phone allowed and no day off.
Okay. How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years
Can you
contract.
describe for me your ethics?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Joan Las.
I repeat, can you describe for me your ethics?
Okay, ma'am. I'm hardworking. eh, I'm hardworking and trustworthy and honest.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Pardon, ma'am.
Okay, I repeat. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
Because lack of financial.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
Yes, ma'am. I know, ma'am. No.
Okay, I repeat. Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you suffered from any serious illness?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes. Yes,
Are,
ma'am.
are you in any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Joanne, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have 2 case studies for you and I want you to answer me truthfully, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I asked permission. I asked permission to my employer to 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 go to go on to go me in the Philippines.
Okay. Number 2. Once you reach Malaysia, let's say if you don't like to work and you want to go back, you have to bear the entire damages and the losses. Are you agreed for that?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Joanne. Okay,
Yes,
Joanne,
ma'am.
thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am Laida. Ay, teka lang, mama.
Okay, tawag na lang ako mamaya, ah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.